My name's Greg Arshamble, the owner of Kai Lani Pools here in Pueblo, Colorado. Today we're getting started on a fiberglass pool installation here. You can see my partner Mike measuring and squaring up the hole, getting ready to start digging and install this pool. Over here we've got our equipment pad location. You can see the electrician's already done his portion of the work. This is where we're gonna have our pump and filter, everything to make this pool run smooth. That's enough talking, let's get to digging. Now that we've got the excavation almost complete, as you can see, we've got trenches dug to our equipment pad site. We're ready to start getting some pea gravel in here so we can set this pool shell tomorrow morning. Okay, so we've got the pool shell set. This is a Broadway from San Juan Fiberglass Pools. Just came from the Eloy, Arizona factory. We're starting to get some water in it. We've got our braces going in, we're cutting in our skimmers and returns. We're backfilling equally water on the inside and backfill on the outside. Next, we're gonna start working on our equipment pad, all of our plumbing and electrical conduit, and we'll get this thing full of water. Okay, so now we've got our pool completely full of water. We've got our concrete forms set and all of our rebar in place. We're getting ready to pour a beautiful concrete deck, and then we'll get this pool cleaned up and looking amazing. As you can see, the automatic cover is now installed, the final step on the fiberglass pool installation process. This is a Broadway by San Juan Fiberglass Pools, ready for this family to enjoy. Give us a call today and let us help transform your backyard.